In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Outlook email into PDF. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick, so you can save any email as a clean, shareable document. We're using Outlook on the web and the built-in print to PDF feature that comes with modern browsers. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook. In the results, click the official Outlook website from Microsoft. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that to access your mail. Once Outlook loads, go to your inbox. You'll find it in the left sidebar. This is where all your messages live. Now, open the specific email you want to convert to a PDF. If it's part of a conversation, make sure the exact message you want is selected. Give images a moment to load so they show up properly in the PDF, and scroll through to confirm everything looks right. With the email open, look for the three-dot More Options menu near the top of the message view. Click that to reveal additional actions. From that menu, click Print. This will open a print preview of your email. Depending on your browser, it might open in a new tab or a dedicated print window. Take a quick look to confirm the preview shows the content you expect. In the Print dialog, find the destination or printer field and change it to Save as PDF. This tells your browser to generate a PDF file instead of sending the email to a physical printer. Before you save, you can fine-tune the output. Check layout, margins, and scale for readability. If your browser offers an option like background graphics, enabling it can help capture logos, colors, or subtle formatting that appear in the email. When everything looks good, click Save. Choose a folder on your computer, give the file a descriptive name so you can find it easily later, and confirm. The PDF will be created with the formatting you previewed. That's it. You've converted your Outlook email into a PDF. A few quick tips to make this process smoother. If you don't see the print option, ensure the email is fully open rather than selected in a list. If the preview looks off, adjust scale to fit all content on fewer pages without cutting anything off. And remember, attachments aren't embedded automatically in the email PDF. You can download them separately if needed. You now have a reliable way to archive, share, or store your Outlook emails as PDFs using your browser's built-in tools.